Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back on this beautiful sunny day. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Without you, this show would never happen. As long as you're watching, I'll be cooking for you. If this is your first time here, I am Chef Michał and you are watching Show Me How to Cook. I must say, guys, that I really love when you leave me a feedback and comments. So today's episode, it's a request from one of my subscribers, Tyler. Tyler requested perfect club sandwich. So today I'm gonna make my perfect club sandwich. And because the weather is so beautiful and I haven't used my bad boy this summer yet, I'm gonna grill almost every ingredient today. And that's gonna be my perfect club sandwich. Let the grilling begin. Let's get this barbecue hot and ready. Are you ready? Barbecue season officially open. Let the grilling begin on that hot grill. I'm just gonna start with greasing out my grills. Temperature is not quite there, but we're gonna get there in a moment. And meanwhile, I will chop some onions. I want to caramelize my onions very slowly. So I'm gonna use butter and oil together. Butter gonna give us nice flavor, but oil gonna prevent butter from burning. Today we're gonna create the perfect club sandwich, so all the ingredients are tailored for you specifically. I'm a big spinach lover, so there will be no lettuce here. And first spread this beautiful combo of mayo, scallions, harissa paste and Dijon. I butterfly my chicken breasts and marinate them with oil, garlic, fresh herbs and touch of smoked paprika. You hear that sizzling? Yeah. If you don't, your grill is not hot enough. There's no club sandwich without bacon. So if you're going to grill the bacon, I would recommend to use farmer's thick cut. It does not curl as much and you can grill it long enough to give a nice crispy skin on both sides and keeping soft and juicy inside. I have a few seconds here to slice up my heirloom tomatoes and my pickles. And when I say my pickles, I mean that Polish people do not buy pickles. We buy cucumbers and we pickle them ourselves. If you're wondering how it's done, put it in the comment, I'll make a video. Everything is coming around nice. Today I'm grilling everything, including the cheese. Halloumi is my choice. This is nice, not fully ripe cheese, so that's why it's perfect for grilling. Make sure you oil your grill properly. For the bread, I choose two kinds. Whole grain for myself and olive and sun-dried tomato for the esposa. Bread is nice and fresh, so I just want to give it a quick toast. And now we are entering the final favorite part. Let's assemble that perfect sandwich. Every ingredient in that sandwich is delicious on its own. Together it's gonna create a symphony in your mouth. Good thing is that you don't see my face right now because I'm smiling like a child and I'm drilling into my mouth right now. Hey Tyler, I hope I put you in the right directions for your perfect club sandwich. Thanks everybody for watching, and if you have your own requests, drop me a link on the bottom and I'll be more than happy to take upon a challenge. Oh my god. Talk about perfect club sandwich.